Investing in commercial real estate with $500. Most people think you need $100,000 to start investing in commercial real estate. They're wrong. I'm about to show you exactly how to get started with just $500. And no, I'm not talking about some sketchy crowdfunding scheme. This is legitimate, legal, and honestly, it's sitting right under your nose. Part 1. The real barrier isn't money. Here's what nobody tells you about commercial real estate. The barrier to entry isn't $500,000. It's information. Most people don't even know the entry points exist. Think about how you probably started investing in stocks. You didn't need $100,000. You opened Robinhood or Fidelity, threw in whatever you could afford, and started learning. Commercial real estate is literally the same concept now. 5 years ago? Yeah, you'd need serious capital. But 2024? Everything changed. Here's the reality. Institutional investors and real estate developers realized something crucial. They wanted access to smaller investors without the headache of managing 1,000 small accounts. So they created platforms that work just like stock trading apps. Traditional commercial real estate investing meant finding a property, getting a business loan, managing tenants, dealing with maintenance calls at midnight. We're talking 5 to 10 year commitments minimum. Modern commercial real estate? You download an app, you pick a property, you invest, done. Part 2. Exactly how to start with $500. This is where it gets practical. There are 3 platforms you need to know about right now. First up, Fundrise. This is the OG platform. They've been doing this since 2012. Fundrise lets you invest in commercial real estate deals across America starting at $500. You're literally investing alongside major pension funds and institutional players. Your $500 goes into shopping centers, office buildings, apartment complexes, industrial warehouses. Last year, their average annual return was around 9%. That's competitive with S&P 500 long-term averages. Here's how it works. You open an account, verify your identity like you would at your bank, fund it with $500, and you're in. Fundrise handles everything. They source deals, manage the properties, handle tenant issues, collect rent. You just check your account quarterly. Second platform, Realty Mogul. Similar concept, slightly different approach. Realty Mogul focuses on individual properties rather than diversified funds. This means you can pick specific deals you believe in. Your $500 gets you equity stake in real commercial properties in real markets. Average returns hover around 8 to 11% depending on the deal. Third, Yield Street. This one's more sophisticated but still accessible. They focus on commercial real estate plus alternative investments. Minimum investment is also $500 on many deals. Here's the magic part nobody emphasizes enough. These aren't speculative. You're not betting on price appreciation. You're earning actual cash flow. When a commercial property has tenants paying rent, that money gets distributed to investors. You literally get paid passively for owning a fractional stake in actual real estate. Part 3. Why this beats leaving money in your savings account. If you're keeping $500 in a savings account, you're losing money to inflation. Even high-yield savings accounts max out around 4% right now. Commercial real estate is beating that consistently. Let me show you what $500 actually becomes over time. Invest $500 today in an 8% return commercial real estate fund. In 10 years, that's $1,086. 20 years? That's $2,370. 30 years? $5,120. And that's passive. You weren't doing anything. You weren't checking daily. You weren't stressing about market timing. Now compare that to keeping $500 in a standard savings account earning basically nothing. It's not even close. The real benefit here is diversification. Most people put everything in stocks. Their Roth IRA is S&P 500. Their 401k is mutual funds. That's not diversity. Adding commercial real estate to your portfolio is actual diversification. You're now in real assets with cash flow, not just equity markets. Call to action. The barrier to wealth isn't luck, it's information. And now you have it. Start with $500. Pick one of these platforms, make your first investment this week. I'm serious. Not next month. This week. If this video showed you something new, hit that subscribe button. I'm releasing videos every single week about money moves that actually work. Don't miss the next one. You've got this. End.